filler goes in and replaces volume that's been lost either due to the natural aging process or just something that you might not have had to begin with. You can kind of go back in and hit those areas. So if you do your cheeks, if your cheeks are starting to feel flat, that can also help with your under eye, your nasolabial folds, marionette lines. The cheeks are kind of the bone structure of your face, so that's a good spot to start. I feel like with fillers, the less filler you have is probably the better in the long run, just because it is gonna absorb water. If you do too much too quickly, it can kind of not look or age very well. So that's where you do wanna have a natural approach to it. You don't wanna overdo it. It is all dissolvable, so if you did get some filler and didn't really like it, we could always go back in and dissolve it. Most people really like it. Here at our office, we go for the more natural look, just kind of enhance and replace what you used to have and have lost as you age.